Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by uploading your video and opening YouTube Studio Captions for that video. Once done, select the language and choose to add subtitles. You can upload an SRT or create new captions. Make sure your text timing matches speech. This prevents rework later. You'll also want a small CSS-like plan. Pick the color hex, background opacity, and font size. These choices determine readability on different devices, so test on desktop and mobile early to avoid contrast problems. Once you have an SRT, export or download it and open it in a plain text editor. You'll insert color tags or web-style span tags if YouTube accepts them. Alternatively, create duplicate subtitle tracks per color and name them clearly. Make sure each cue retains correct start/end times. Change only the text lines. Save the file as UTF-8 and use consistent tag syntax. If YouTube strips tags, you'll instead use styled burned-in captions via Video Editor as a fallback and export a new video. Upload your edited SRT back into YouTube Studio as a new subtitle track and publish it. Then preview the video on multiple devices and in both light and dark player themes to confirm color visibility. If YouTube removes styling tags, use a video editor to burn captions with chosen color and re-upload the rendered file as the final video. If timings drift after upload, re-edit the SRT timing or use YouTube's sync tool. This fixes most desynchronization issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.